me get into today? Well, today we are going to make a flavored simple syrup. All right. So we are going to use it in a special cocktail that we're going to make today. So you're not going to want to miss this. But first things first, welcome to Stillworks and Brewing. My name is Randy, and this is a channel that's all about home distillation and brewing. Let me get the homework out of the way. There's one thing that you guys can do to really help me out. If you haven't got a chance to do it yet, please hit that subscribe button. All right, now let's get started. And what is the ingredients for a brown sugar apple simple syrup? Okay, all it takes is 1 cup of brown sugar, a half cup of apple juice, half cup of water, 1 apple, a cinnamon stick, and a little bit of lemon juice. And I also might put a little bit of alcohol in it just as a preservative so it lasts a little bit longer. Okay, so what I'll do is let's get the apple sliced up. First I'm going to do is core the apple. Because I always felt that seeds will add a little bitterness to it that I don't want. Okay, I'll tell you what I'm going to do is I'm going to move the camera so you can see better, and then we'll get trying this thing out, okay? Okay, so our first ingredients is 1 cup of brown sugar. Let me see if I can do it without spilling it, because you know, guys, you know me. All right, 1 cup of brown sugar. Okay. All right, so what's next? Next, we want 1/2 cup of apple cider, or apple juice, I'm sorry. Apple juice, 1/2 cup. And we want a 1/2 cup of water. Okay. And we want 1 cinnamon stick. And we want 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. Okay. Almost got it all in there. And 1 apple. And I'm using a Red Delicious apple. Okay. And then all we want to do. All right, so what we want to do is we're going to turn some heat on. And we're going to stir all this sugar up, get all melted. We're going to bring it up to a simmer for a little while. And then what we're going to try to do is let it thicken up just a little bit. And we are going to make a apple old fashioned here in a little while. I just thought it would be fun to make some different kind of flavored simple syrups, because I do love old fashions and I like them all different kind of ways. To me, that is, besides drinking whiskey on the rocks or neat, I do love an old fashioned. So if you guys do happen to have any ideas that you would like to see for a simple syrup, you know, please share them, and we'll get them on. I just believe this is going to taste fantastic. I mean, it's apple, cinnamon, and sugar. How can it not? But I would like to try to make I gotta get me some more of that, what the hell's the name of it? Something fruit? Yeah, what I made the, not dragon fruit. No, I'm having a brain fart. But I would like to try to make some sugar-free simple syrup and see how that does. I think it would do actually very well. So let me bring this up to a simmer, and then we'll get ready to move on to the next step. All right, so I'll be back. All right, quick update. It's really starting to simmer. It's reducing down. So once we reduce it down enough, get a little bit thicker. It's a little bit thin yet. So we'll reduce this down a little more, and then we'll be ready for the next step. Okay, I think it is looking pretty good. Yeah, you can see it get a little bit thicker. So what I want to let it do now is just cool down, and then let this cool down. Then we'll get ready to put it in a bottle. I just put Star San through the bottle, make sure everything's okay. And once it's cooled, I might put a couple tablespoons of high-proof alcohol in there. Just a little preservative, you know what I'm saying? It will last in the refrigerator. Everybody says it lasts, if you put it in the refrigerator, good clean jars, airtight sealed, over a month. I've had simple syrups in the refrigerator for longer than that, but we'll keep an eye on it. But it should be good for a month anyway. Should be no problem with that. All right, just let this cool down a little bit, and then we'll be back. Cool. Like I said, I Star San the jar, and I got a funnel with a screen in the bottom of it. So what we want to do is strain out the apples. All right, we'll just let that strain out for a while. And then, like I said, I'm gonna add just a couple tablespoons of, I got some 100 proof or 120, a little bit of 120 over. I'll put in there just as a preservative. Because I usually simple syrups for mixed drinks. So a little extra alcohol won't hurt, right? Okay, so let me clean a little bit of my mess up while I'm letting that go on. Then we're going to get ready to make a apple old fashioned. Wow, you gotta love that, don't you? Okay, just add 3 tablespoons okay. Okay, now it's time for the old fashioned. Okay, to me, there is 5 parts to an old fashioned. It's the bitters, it's the sweetener, it's the alcohol, the fruit, and of course the ice. That's just me. All right, so let's make this cocktail. All right, so I'll put the ice in the glass. All right, we want some bitters. Now these bitters here are apple bitters, and if I get the name right, Nick gave them to me down at Hillbilly Jam. I was very appreciative of it, and it tasted fantastic. So put in the amount of bitters that you like. Okay, so we got your bitters. All right. And then I am going to use 1 ounce of our sweetener. One ounce of sweetener. The next one is 2 ounces. I'm gonna say use your favorite alcohol. Bourbon, rye are great for old fashions. So we want 2 ounces of your alcohol. We're gonna put that right in there. Oh, And then I want to give it a stir. So give it a stir. Then, of course, your fruit. Okay? Now the tough part. Now we got to try it, right? Fantastic. Oh, of course it's got the old-fashioned, got the little sweetness to it. You can taste the bourbon, but you can really taste that apple and a little bit of, oh, I forgot one thing. Cinnamon stick. And you just can, oh, that is delicious. Wow. That is enjoyable. Really, really, really enjoyable. Oh, and one other thing you don't want to do, don't forget to put a label on what you made. What have I said before? You think you're going to remember what it is, but you won't. All right. That is our old fashioned, our apple old fashioned. It is fantastic. Ooh, I gotta have some more. All right. Okay, I guess the last thing I got to say is, hey, thanks for stopping by, and we'll see you next time here on Still Works and Brewing. Cheers, everybody.